First, you need a cup, a candle, half cup of vinegar, and baking soda. Then light up the candle. Next, pour the half cup of vinegar into the cup. Add a tablespoon of baking soda into the cup with vinegar and cover it with your hand as fast as you can until the reaction is done. When it seems to stop bubbling, then it means the reaction is almost done. When the reaction seems finished, stop covering the cup and pour the invisible gas into the candle. Let's watch it again in slow motion. So why does this happen? When vinegar, which is C2H4O2, and baking soda, which is NaHCO3, are added, they have a result of sodium acetate, which is C2H3O2, and H2O, which is water, and CO2, which is carbon dioxide. And because CO2 is a very heavy gas, and because it is heavier than oxygen, when it is poured on top of the candle, the oxygen pushes away from the candle. And because any kind of flames cannot survive without oxygen, when the oxygen is pushed away, the candle eventually goes off. And because we have to use the CO2 created from the vinegar and baking soda, we have to cover the top of the cup as fast as we can so we can keep or trap the CO2 inside the cup.